Introducing your new forever favorite, Aloe Body Lotion. Aloe Body Lotion softens and supports skin's natural moisture barrier to promote healthy, youthful-looking skin. This lightweight formula, perfect for daily use, absorbs quickly to deliver the benefits of aloe vera and other moisturizing ingredients almost instantly. Aloe Body Lotion puts nature's most powerful skin-enhancing ingredients to work for you with a high concentration of pure inner leaf aloe vera combined with plant-based oils and botanicals. Argan oil and hydrolyzed jojoba esters help promote the appearance of firmness and skin elasticity, and macadamia seed oil and sodium hyaluronate help hydrate skin and retain moisture. Silicone-free and suitable for anyone with normal to dry skin, Aloe Body Lotion features a bright aroma of light florals for a scent that's universally appealing. When you need a go-to daily lotion that leaves skin feeling soft and hydrated, Forever's Aloe Body Lotion is the perfect everyday moisturizer to soften skin and leave it feeling smooth, moisturized, and healthy.